Looking for a ventilation option that won't have you stressing over constant upkeep? So, when it comes to picking the right ventilation system for your home, you want something that's low-key on maintenance but still gets the job done. First off, natural ventilation is pretty chill since it relies on windows, vents, and airflow. No fancy gadgets or filters to change. Then you have exhaust fans, which are great for spots like bathrooms and kitchens because they suck out moisture and odors, but you'll want to clean those blades every now and then so they don't get clogged with dust. Whole house mechanical ventilation systems, like energy recovery ventilators, do a killer job of keeping air fresh, but can be a bit more work because the filters need swapping and the system has to be checked regularly. There's also passive vents, which are mostly maintenance-free since they just let air pass through naturally. Just keep an eye out for blockages or critters making a home in there. A big thing is to balance how much airflow you get with how much upkeep you're cool with handling. And always make sure any system you pick is installed right, because even the best one can become a headache if it's put in wrong. If you're not into climbing ladders or fiddling with filters, natural and passive options usually win on easy maintenance. One of the biggest issues people run into with ventilation systems is ignoring regular cleaning, which leads to clogged vents and poor air quality. Fix this by setting up a monthly quick check to clear dust and debris. Another common mistake is picking a system that's too complicated for your needs, like installing a high-tech mechanical system for a small apartment where simple window vents would work fine. To avoid this, match the ventilation type to your space, size, and lifestyle. Lastly, poor installation can cause leaks or airflow problems, making your system less effective and more costly over time. Hiring a trusted pro rather than DIYing it usually saves headaches and money down the road. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to buddy for finding solid local contractors who know their stuff and won't flake on your home projects. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for quality work, making sure everyone gets what they need without the usual hassle.